How did I create this optical illusion? I used a trifold and a pair of opera gloves. We're going to go to WeVideo.com. And what we're going to do is we're going to log in using your school account. Do not use your home Gmail account because a free account is very limited. It'll have a watermark. It'll be lower resolution. It's not even worth it to use. So at school we have paid accounts, and that's what we're going to use. So now that I'm in my school account, I'm going to go to projects. I'm going to do a plus for a new project, and this is going to be called Green Screen Experiment. And this is the title of it is going to be Fooling Around with Green Screen. Okay, it's a personal project. I'm not collaborating with anyone, so I'm going to hit next. And now I'm going to just go to next, and then I'm going to create video. All right, now this is where I go to import, and I'm going to import media. So browse to select, and I'm going to go to date modified today, and there's my video clip, which I made on my phone. Okay. So you want to put this in video 2 because you're going to be putting another clip into video 1. Okay, so now I'm going to just play it.
I have no idea.
Okay, that's the clip. And now we're going to click on this link. We're going to click on the clip, go here, and we're going to go to color keying. Okay, and we're going to just take our, first of all, let me just play it.
I have no idea.
And I want to get, use my eyedropper and grab this color. And now I just want to see, I don't see any of the color here, which is good. But if I did see some of the color lingering, I could make some adjustments here. But right now I'm just going to hit Save Changes, and I'm going to see what we have. Okay, so now this is what it looks like.
I have no idea.
All right, so now I want something in the background to replace what I took out. I don't want it just to be a plain black background. So I'm going to just take this, it's called Perspective Experiment, and I'm going to pull it down to video 1. And of course it's too short, so I'm going to stretch it out so it's the right length. And now I'm going to play it.
I have no idea.
Now it's not perfect. And maybe I can make some adjustments to the green screening. So let me just go here, and I see that we got like these little ghost images around here. Let me see if I can get rid of those by defringing. And actually that makes the ghost images worse, so that won't work. Maybe try grabbing it from here. Yeah, look, I got rid of some of the edges. Some of the edges that I don't want by sliding this over. So let me see if it looks a little better. Let me hit Save Changes, and let's play it again. Okay.
I have no idea.
Okay, so if I bring it back to about here, I see that there's some black stuff there. I don't know if I can get rid of it or not, but I'm going to just go here and again try and see if I can get rid of that black edge. Doesn't look like I can, but let's see if I change the color sensitivity. Does that work? No. Okay. Color balance, that doesn't really work either. Well, none of this is making much of a difference. I think I'm going to hit cancel, and I'm just going to admit that that's as good as it gets. So again, it's not perfect, but it's a really fun trick. Basically what I did was I used, I can show you, I used a little magic here. Let me say, I took
I have no idea.
a pair of green theater gloves and a green trifold, and I held the plane in my hand using the green opera gloves. So their opera gloves are nice because they go all the way up to your elbow, but I found some that were green, and I ordered them online, and then I ordered a green trifold online, just a little privacy screen that you'd use if you were taking a test at school. And I ordered those, and then I used the keyer in WeVideo. So if you just click here, go to the pencil, and you look here, the keyer color keying is this little icon here. So anyway, when you're done and you're satisfied with the results, you can go ahead and you can finish. Click finish, and you're gonna name your project. Um, Okay, and then you're going to make it HD. You want it to be as high resolution as possible. Make sure you click this, the destination that takes it to your Google Drive, and hit export. You can also click to select a thumbnail. Okay, so I'm going to hit export, and because it's only 8 seconds long, it should show up pretty much immediately in my Google Drive. So all I used was a pair of opera gloves and a trifold, and I was able to create a very low-tech special effect using WeVideo.